Guys, Shane here from Unity Beach. I'm at the Country Club. We have got something special for you today. A fantastic 3-bed on plot ready to go. This is pre-owned. It's a 2019 Pathfinder Tuscany. Okay, guys, 159,950. Absolute bargain. Look at it. It comes fully decked as well. Glass balustrade. You've got your lighting all the way around as well. That lights up in the evening. Helmet light in there as well. This is the place to be. It's the place to chill out and relax, guys. It's huge, mate. It is absolutely huge. Look at this space here. You can have a little barbecue up here. No problem at all, guys. Look at the view as well. And I'll be honest, in an evening, when the Country Club's lit up, it looks fantastic. It's absolutely amazing.
What a beautiful view, Shane.
Yeah, stunning, mate. And you're not far away from all the play park, the splash park, the theme park. Literally just down the road there, guys.
I like these double doors.
Mate, it's lovely. On a nice summer's day, that lovely little breeze just trickling in. Fantastic. Look at these, eh? Oh, I say, very posh, yeah? Freestanding. Yeah, you can change them out, mate. You can put like a corner sofa in or something like that, can you? I like these, look. These are very sturdy wicker chairs. Yeah, you can repaint that. It's like a wet finish, so you can paint that, guys, if you like. There's speakers in the ceiling, yeah? Amazing. Plenty of space. Look at this. Utility area. In here, guys, in this kitchen, it is fantastic. So you've got a wine chiller there. You've got your dishwasher, washing machine as well. You've got plinth lighting as well. I like that. Very nice.
That's nice, isn't it?
Lovely, mate. Lovely touch that is. What's in here?
Kitchen.
Oh, a bit more storage here as well, look, guys. It's all right, isn't it? Big kitchen. Look at this. We've got a bath in here as well, guys.
Can you fit in there?
I'll get in there, mate. No problem at
Get
all.
in there, see how big it is.
Oh, I tell you what, Nigel.
You wouldn't want to come on to him in there,
I reckon get my missus in there as well. Hey, come on.
It's kind of a bit big in there.
What's happening?
That's all right.
We good? Here we go, guys. Master bedroom, ensuite shower as well. Nice big twin ensuite shower there, guys. Again, you've got speakers in the ceiling here as well. Amazing.
This is a big bedroom.
It's huge, Nigel. Nice big bed there as well. King size bed. Check out these twin rooms. So this, like I said, this is 3-bed. This is the first twin, guys, all right? Again, it's quite darish, this green. You can recolour that if you wish. But look at that, eh? USB charging points in there, yeah. You can put your little cup of tea there for the morning, yeah.
This is beautiful.
Lovely. TVs. It comes with the TVs as well. Yeah, it's like speakers in the ceiling everywhere, eh? Speakers here as well. Look at this, guys. You can put these together to make a double as well. That's why the headboard spans the whole width. Yeah,
it could be like an 8-bed,
yeah,
really.
Yeah, definitely, mate. It's fantastic.
Huge, isn't it?
Huge.
I love it.
Absolute bargain, mate.
I love the location.
Full residential specification, guys. You can use it 12 months of the year. Yeah.
12 months.
12 months, mate. 12 months of the year you can use this. You can sublet it as well. If you want to do a bit of subletting, come and speak to me. I could put you in touch with the subletting guys. Easy, mate. Easy. Yeah, definitely.
We can guarantee
for minimum weeks as well. Honestly,
guarantee that.
Yeah, guarantee lets at the minute. Yeah, come on down, have a little chat. All right. Let's have a quick look outside again.
Hey, anyway, thanks for watching, guys, because we appreciate you watching.
We've got a couple more coming in soon as well. All right.
You've got another one, have you?
Yeah, I've got another 3-bed. Can't get in it yet.
There's not many left, is there?
No, there isn't, mate. There isn't.
So hook Shane up, guys. Give him a call. What's your number?
07813 967 436. Give me a call and I'd love to bring you down and show you around.
Hey, fantastic. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.